under 30, earning below 30,000, debt-free, and with an emergency fund, where's the best place to start investing?
Wow. Young employee, debt-free, with an emergency fund pa talaga. So, sabihin na natin fully funded na, 6 months worth of expenses. Where's the best place to start investing? You need to ask yourself muna kung beginner ka pa or advanced. Kung beginner ka pa, digital banks, time deposits, and Pag-ibig MP2. Kung advanced ka na, you can go to stocks, crypto, REITs, real estate, mutual funds. It depends on who you are. Also, it's not just about being a beginner or advanced. It's also about understanding your risk appetite. Yung conservative, yung mindset ng tao niya, ayaw ko mawalan ng pera. Maliit lang yung kita, basta sure na yung principal ko ay safe. If that's the case, maganda yung time deposits, digital banks, bonds, and even Pag-ibig MP2. Kasi principal mo, secured yan. What if aggressive ka? You're the type of person na you want to grow your money faster, but you also understand the fact na potentially mawala yung pera mo. Stock market, REITs, crypto, business, real estate is part of it. Ask yourself, ano ba akong klaseng tao? Am I conservative or aggressive? From that, if you answer conservative, then ito yung options mo. Pag aggressive ka, ito yung options mo. You can try things. And the moment you see the growth kasi of your investment and once you start becoming more confident, you would want to invest more.